Welcome, dear friends, as we journey through an age where machines are outpacing humans in an array of tasks. The world becomes more intriguing by the day. Join us as we explore the astonishing world of advanced machinery. And if you're as captivated as we are, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your adventure with Hyper TV starts now. Imagine the complexities of harvesting tomatoes. The delicate nature of the fruit and the plant itself poses a daunting challenge, doesn't it? But behold, through the magic of engineering, a miracle machine has emerged. With delicate precision, it separates tomatoes and transports them onto a conveyor belt before moving them into the storage compartment of a waiting tractor truck. No exploration of agricultural machinery would be complete without the mighty 72 SM tractors and tillers. On a sprawling 1,000-acre farm, the SM Fab Lister stands tall. Its robust engine, durable traction wheel system, and the innovative integration of a tractor and a tiller turn it into a model of modern agriculture. Using these marvels not only boosts productivity but also significantly reduces manual labor, ushering in a new era in farming. So, stick around with Hyper TV for more exciting journeys into the realm of technological marvels. Next, imagine a busy roadside, lined with trees. How do we ensure safety without damaging the environment? Enter the Irrigation 718E, a versatile crane hailing from the renowned construction and industrial machinery company, Irrigation. It's designed to trim trees along busy corridors, ensuring traffic safety and maintaining power lines. What's more, it's equipped with an automatic control system, letting operators work remotely and increasing overall safety. It's not just a tree-cutting crane, it's a guardian of safety. Now, we have the T660i harvester, a groundbreaking addition to the oil palm cultivation industry. Known for its capacity to separate leaves and stems in a single harvesting process, its modern design, which includes a spacious cabin and innovative features, ensures a comfortable operating experience. Further enhancing productivity and efficiency, the harvester comes equipped with technology, allowing it to adapt to varying field heights and terrains. Ever wondered about the technology behind dredging and sucking mud in riverbeds? Here's a miracle machine exactly for that. Share your guesses about its name in the comments. An innovative addition to large farms specializing in harvesting vegetables like beets and carrots. With 8 small wheels, it effortlessly navigates various field terrains and high crop densities. Equipped with advanced depth control technology, it ensures efficient, on-the-go digging. Coupled with a cleaning system, it maximizes productivity while minimizing loss, delivering market-ready produce. Welcome to the world of Massey Ferguson, a prestigious name in the realm of agricultural machinery. Its legacy began with the Massey Ferguson 35, a versatile utility tractor that came to life in the 1960s. Designed for resilience and performance, it swiftly became a farmer's trusted companion for plowing and various other farming tasks. Truly, the Massey Ferguson line of tractors embodies decades of innovation and commitment to the agricultural industry. Let's introduce you to the VHT Shaker, an innovative harvesting marvel. This intelligent machine embraces tree trunks and shakes them, causing fruits to rain down in record time. The adjustable vibration intensity and speed allow users to tailor its operation for various crops, a personalized approach to harvesting. Plowing thousands of meters of farmland has never been easier, thanks to rapidly advancing technology. Two Fendt 942 tractors, each equipped with a Kernline 12-row plow, create perfect grooves, a testament to the professional performance of modern agricultural machinery. Next in line is the Jutesfar M3575 combine harvester, a mid-range leader in its class. Manufactured by Jutesfar and equipped with advanced tools and cutting-edge features, this combine harvester isn't just a productivity tool. It's a symbol of pride and efficiency that brings emotion to the hard work of harvesting. In the aftermath of substantial events, cleaning up a large area can be labor-intensive. However, our next machine, equipped with two large suction heads and a container, can handle various types of trash with just a single operator. With this machine, we're one step closer to protecting our living environment. Also in Sweden, the New Holland TL90 tractor tirelessly collects grass to create hay bales, catering to the needs of livestock. The grass is cut into rows, left to dry, and then collected by this machine. It transforms the grass into compact molds and stores them in a rear compartment. Truly, an innovation in agricultural efficiency. A motion simulation device that's not just for entertainment, it's for training too. Picture yourself driving, flying, or even climbing a mountain. Sim can replicate those movements with high precision. With realistic sensations and a beautifully created virtual world, Sim offers an escape into thrilling and authentic experiences. Interested in owning one? Stay tuned! Protection for your services. Look no further than Slat Tracks. This nifty technology safeguards everything from grass and artificial turf to soil and wetlands from the wear and tear of heavy machinery. With easy attachment to machines like bobcats or skid steers, it's a practical solution to an everyday problem. On the scene is the Nipro SCR302J, a marvel in agriculture and horticulture. It's not just a piece of machinery, it's a game changer. Attach it to a large tractor, and it swiftly creates efficient folds, dividing fields like never before. It's farming made effortless, and it's here to redefine how we work the land. Let's turn our gaze now to Poland, where a farmer's ingenuity has given birth to a one-of-a-kind creation. He's designed a robot, breathing new life into the engine of a small, discarded car, capable of a staggering 248 horsepower. Thanks to the farmer's keen intellect and innovative spirit, we're witnessing farming in the age of robots. That wraps up today's deep dive on Hyper TV. If you found value in our journey through the world of technology, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating explorations, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.